Hi Aries, you are exactly waiting for 2021. What is going to be? Yes, I'm going to tell you. Uh, Listen and subscribe me, and please forward to friends and family members everyone. See, 2021 is going to be big for Aries as far as money goes, but not necessarily to the extent that they would be hoping, but because they will need to make budgets and stick to them. Those who like networking may come across great career opportunities. 2021 will mark the beginning of the period in which they are going to have a lot of energy to focus. Period that's going to last for 2 years. They will be able to know more about themselves and their life will be stable. And professional opportunities, promotions, and recognition for their efforts are going to come their way if they are ready to work hard and let go of matters of the past that keep holding them back. The more they will complete the task assigned to them, their money will they will become able to make their dreams come true. There are several important cycles that this year brings to the Aries. Saturn will enter a sign in April and remain here for 3 years. Besides the 2020 Sun and Moon eclipses will be the axis Aries, Libra too. When combined, these two cycles indicate that natives should examine their life more. Also, that their year is going to be one of crisis situations, stress. However, this doesn't mean all the experience will have to negative because many problems will find their solutions. Those born in the sign of Aries will have more control over their life and come up with the most creative ideas on to how to use their energy in a positive manner. Jupiter will close its 1 year long influence over friendships and social life. In the important in which it will extend Aquarius, the Sun in the 11th house on January 17th. While this planet tour of the Pisces sign won't bring out Aquarius dynamic energy, it will sure make the Aries natives luckier while transitioning through the solar 12th house. When here, Jupiter works like a guardian angel, protecting and bringing about good luck. Good luck. One second. Small problem with here. Okay. Okay. Problems will be solved in the last moment, but not quite all the time because Jupiter doesn't always respect your promises. It doesn't matter what planet is in transit in 12th house. It is sure to indicate self renewal and fresh starts. Therefore, this transit should be used for looking inwardly and making assessment about life. So, being more spiritual can make natives understand themselves better, especially if they're trying to know what brings them their motivation and what keeps holding them back. 2021's time should be used wisely. Jupiter visiting areas from June 5th to September 7th will offer a preview of what coming to next. So here is some my advices and what should you have to be stored in your brain. See, in 2021, don't forget this. All through 2021, Jupiter's transit to Capricorn highlights the solar 12th house. It has people announce their own ambitions, desire to achieve success, and also the opportunities that or may not bring the success. During this cycle, it is important to open horizons to broaden one's influence, especially when it comes to building a good reputation at work. Not only Aries will have high expectations from themselves, but others will hope the best when it comes to their success too. And they don't have what it takes to advance in their career. They need to develop their credentials more. As a more matter of fact, there is the chance that if they decide to go back to school, the company they are working for is going to pay for a tuition. If they decide to impertinent during this cycle, this will bring the worst upon themselves. This influence of Jupiter can also have them feeling like they need to over obligate their time and energy, and they are very likely to underestimate situation. For this season, they need to think carefully before jumping into an opportunity. Their relationship with other relative figures in the life may improve, but only if they make an effort to show how grateful and how they are their mentors advisors. If it would be a good idea to not be self-centered during this time period. If they only think about themselves, they may experience problems. Just when thinking, nothing in their life could be wrong anymore. And more they keep in their integrity and are aware of others, the more they may progress. The solar eclipses in April and October 17th and respectively 12th will make mark some periods in the year in which their awareness will increase and which they will need to carefully examine their relations. In case they are married or involved in a serious commitment, they need to use 2021 in order to analyze their role in their romantic connection and to determine what makes them feel comfortable with their other half. By being honest with expressing their feelings, they are doing something helpful for their interaction and with their partner. 2021 may be year in which their love life is more balanced. See, and more, and then know what they need from it. They should focus on being whole in their relationship, also and balancing every aspect of their life, from the physical and emotional ones to the spiritual and intellectual. In case they are very preoccupied and physically, their health concerns may increase during this time period, whereas illness and they didn't have give importance to may become real. When it comes to solving problems, they will be able to do it by changing their habits and having their different attitudes, even if their physique may resist such changes because they think in their freedom in being limited. It would be better for them leave any self destructive behavior behind. Coming to your very important what about horoscopy in law. 2021, a very good year for Aries in law because Jupiter brings luck and expressions in the Ram's native's house of marriage most of the time, including they have a good connection with their other half. Singles, they come across a new love, a person with more money with them than them. Sorry, and they will have to work hard for it. The family may oppose to their relationships, and or may they may have someone very jealous for their love because they are with someone very special. So careful with them, the person who are going to jealous on you. It doesn't matter what it is, they need to pay great attention to their relationship, not let anyone get involved in it. They will invest a lot of time energy in the connection they have with their partner, which will they will interfere with their career and ambition. If possible for them to change their jobs results of this. Either way, they may change their priorities or and perhaps decide to pay more attention to love than to their professional life. In other words, romance will change to things for them, but at least they will grow to more self-aware result. They will understand what truly matters for them and their heart. And even if the situation will seem very complicated, they will need to pay either with love or care if they want to have more of one of the two. It's important they remain calm and don't make a fuss about it because everyone has to do this at the same point. If they feel like missing their partner too much when at work, then they should just invest less time in their job and will be the person who is waiting for them at home. And those more to say about love life and Aries in year 2021. The science nights are going too much loud and spiritual, intellectual, physic, and passion way. They will also appreciate for looking good and in their mind. But this will happen especially at after February 2nd when the planet Venus, which rules love and sociability, will across their natal sun. Remaining in that area period of 4 months, they will also increase their ability to give their happening through their sign. They will be more glamorous, have to a lot of sex appeal too. Others will be very attracted to their special charm. When ascertain themselves, they will do in it elegantly and gracefully, which means will have many romantic opportunities coming to their way. Jupiter transiting their house of love is also going to expand their circle of friends. This means they are going to make a new friends and going to many parties in some in their own home. So coming to the career 2021 guys, see as far as goes career goes, 2020 is going to be an auspicious year for the Aries. Natives of this sign will make many financial up and downs, but at the least they will keep their job. However, they will make they will have to make many efforts as work, especially if they want to get promoted to more successful. Their money will come and go. Rahu being present in their 12th second house indicates their money will fluctuate. This means they should may pay attention to investments and not to take many risks. It's likely they will end up owning land or house, perhaps a new vehicle, as a result of the Saturn Jupiter residing together in their fourth house for a while. Coming to the heirs, here is health. See, 2021 Aries and you, will want to eat healthier, to exercise more, even more, meditate, or to practice yoga. It's better. They should be in good health and not suffer from anything serious, mostly because they will happy and have peace of mind. But remember, this is all over 2021, and personal horoscope is also important. And subscribe me. This is Kalyan, and always with you, and subscribe me. And Taurus, Gemini, and Leo, and everything 2020 horoscope is there. Forward to friends and family members. See you guys. Bye bye. Daily horoscope is there.